Welcome back on this Wednesday morning. We have been mainly staying dry, but satellite and radar has been showing some very light activity this morning, mainly just in the form of some sprinkles. And we did see a good portion of the activity moving through the bluegrass, but you can see very light in nature and really fizzling out. Anything that is out there has been pretty much just some sprinkles, and I don't even think it's really making it to the ground because we do have dew points that are still relatively low, which means we've got drier air still in place. I think whatever's showing up on satellite and radar is really evaporating before it hits the ground. So mainly a dry start for your Wednesday. Temperatures not too bad. We are settling into the lower 60s and some mid 60s as well. So rather mild as you head out the door this morning. Just a little bit warmer in some locations compared to yesterday morning. Remember, yesterday morning we had a few spots in the upper 50s. For the kids heading off to the bus stop, perhaps they just want a light jacket this morning. They don't need the rain gear. Again, I don't think anything that we're seeing on satellite and radar is really making it to the ground, but we will see the chance for a spotty shower as we head through the day. Now, as the kids are heading home, expect temperatures to be right around that 70-degree mark. And also notice we're going to be holding on to some of the extra cloud cover today once again. Overall, temperatures staying below the average. We'll see highs in the mid-70s today. That chance for a spotty shower, more so a spotty sprinkle, is possible just because of increasing moisture around the area. So we will be feeling that increase as we head through the afternoon. You're going to notice it's starting to feel just a little bit more on the muggier side. Tonight we'll see mostly cloudy skies persisting. Temperatures in the mid-60s. Expecting to stay dry though. But here's a look at the futurecast. Again, we'll have the chance for a spotty shower, more so spotty sprinkle this morning. Even as we head into this evening, we could see some of that popping up in some locations. Right now, the futurecast trying to keep that in southern and eastern Kentucky. But again, whatever we would see would be very spotty in nature and generally just some sprinkles out there. We're really not expecting a great chance for rain today or tomorrow, even into Friday, not a good chance either. Here's the futurecast at 8:15 on your Thursday morning. We're looking to stay dry. Notice though, we're still hanging on to a little bit more of that cloud cover. I think that will break up a little bit more as we head through your Thursday, but we'll also see that chance once again for a few spotty showers, spotty sprinkles. By no means will it be a washout though, but we'll see that still same chance as we head into your Friday. Here's a wider look at satellite and radar. We do have high pressure that is sitting over the Great Lakes, but notice we also have a stationary front that is still to our south and east. And it looks like this will be helping to more or less block Hurricane Florence. You can see it out still in the Atlantic, still an impressive and major hurricane right now, and it has changed its track slightly. So let's get right to the tropical tracker. Still a Category 4. Wind speeds 130 miles per hour. It's still going to be impacting the East Coast, but it looks like it's going to turn a little bit further to the south for now. All right. It looks like it's still going to be making landfall as a Category 3 hurricane, still bringing a lot of damaging winds as well as heavy rain onshore. So they're going to be dealing with flooding issues in the Carolinas. And it looks like Georgia might pick up on some of that rainfall as well. But notice that track has curved a little bit more to the south, and then it will curve a little bit more to the north and west. And we here in Kentucky could see some of the remnants of Florence as we head through the weekend and start early next week. Here's a look at some of the rainfall amounts. They have dropped slightly compared to what was projected yesterday, but some locations could still see close to 3 feet of rainfall. That's not including the storm surge. See all these bright colors? That is the storm surge. In fact, some locations could see upwards of 9 feet with that storm surge. So again, they're going to be seeing a lot of heavy rainfall and then that storm surge on top of it. Back home though, much quieter. Again, just a chance for some spotty showers over the next few days. Notice already by tomorrow though, temperatures back into the mid-80s. They're going to stay into the 80s through the weekend and into next week. We will see rain chances picking up by Sunday, Monday, as well as Tuesday, and that looks to be influenced by the track of Florence.